Did you know that over 80% of drivers never discover some of the smartest features already built into their cars? That means they're missing out on easier driving, hidden safety tools, and even money-saving tricks. In this video, we are going to reveal the secret car features because once you learn them, you'll never drive the same way again. Let's get started. Secret number 13. Hidden Fuel Cap Indicator. Let's start with one of the smallest but most useful secrets, your fuel cap indicator. Next to your fuel gauge, there's usually a tiny arrow or triangle. That little arrow quietly tells you which side your gas cap is on. Think about how many times you've pulled into a gas station, especially with a new car or a rental, and second-guessed where the pump should be. It's so simple, yet once you know it's there, you'll regret all those awkward gas station moments you had before. Secret number 12. Auto window roll down with your key fob. Have you ever opened your car door in the middle of summer and felt like you stepped into a sauna? Here's a secret that will change the game. Many cars let you roll down all the windows by simply holding the unlock button on your key fob. Instantly, all that trapped hot air escapes, and your car cools down before you even sit inside. Some cars also allow you to roll them back up by holding the lock button. It's one of those luxury features that's been hiding in plain sight on everyday vehicles. Once you try it, you'll use it every hot day and wonder why no one ever told you about it before. Secret number 11. Hidden Trunk Release. Inside the car. What happens if your car battery dies and your electronic trunk won't open? Most people think they're stuck, but car makers already thought of this problem. That's why most vehicles have a manual trunk release, usually near the driver's seat, behind the rear seats, or even inside the trunk itself. Some models even have glow-in-the-dark handles designed for emergencies. It's one of those hidden lifesavers that's easy to ignore until you really need it. And when that day comes, you'll be glad you learned about it early. Secret number 10. Auto-tilting side mirrors. Parking in reverse can be tricky, especially when you're trying to avoid scraping your wheels on the curb. That's where auto-tilting side mirrors come in. On many cars, when you shift into reverse, the mirrors automatically tilt downward so you can see the curb and your rear tires more clearly. You usually activate it by adjusting the mirror selector switch to the left or right position before reversing. It's a genius feature that saves your car and your nerves. Secret number 9. Tire Pressure Reset Button. One of the most frustrating things for drivers is when the tire pressure warning light comes on. You fill the tires, and yet the light stubbornly stays. Most people think they need to go to a mechanic, but the truth is, your car often has a secret reset button just for this. It's usually hidden under the steering wheel. Pressing and holding this button recalibrates the tire pressure monitoring system, telling your car that the tires are back to normal. Instead of paying a mechanic for a quick reset, you can solve it yourself in seconds. This little-known feature saves both time and money, while also keeping your dashboard free from annoying warning lights. Secret number 8. Rain-sensing wipers. You're driving and it suddenly starts drizzling. You fumble with the wiper controls, switching between speeds, only for the rain to get heavier 2 minutes later. It's distracting and takes your focus off the road. That's where rain-sensing wipers come in. Many modern cars have tiny sensors on the windshield that detect raindrops the instant they hit. The system automatically activates your wipers and adjusts their speed depending on how heavy the rain is. This not only makes driving stress-free, but also safer, because your hands stay on the wheel and your eyes stay on the road. Most drivers don't even realize their car already has this feature. But once you use it, you'll never want to go back to manual wiper control. Secret number 7. Hidden Sunglasses Holder. Have you ever scrambled around your car looking for your sunglasses, only to find them scratched up in the glove box? Many cars actually solve this problem with a hidden sunglasses holder built right into the interior. It's often disguised as an overhead compartment near the cabin lights or rearview mirror. At first glance, you might think it's just a decorative panel, but press it, and it flips open to reveal a safe, padded space for your shades. It's one of those clever storage features that most drivers overlook, but once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Secret number 5. The rear seat reminder. This is one of the smartest and most life-saving features that too many drivers overlook. If you open the back door before starting your drive, the car remembers it. When you turn off the engine, it gives you an alert to check the back seat. It's also super helpful for groceries, laptops, or valuables. This feature saves you from a smelly disaster. It's a hidden safeguard that's worth its weight in gold. Secret number 4. Speed-sensitive volume control. Have you noticed how your music sounds perfect while idling but gets drowned out when you hit the highway? Most people just reach for the volume knob, but many cars already solve this problem for you. It's called speed-sensitive volume control, and it automatically adjusts your stereo volume as your speed changes. As road noise increases, your music gets louder, and as you slow down, it lowers back to normal. The result? Once you activate it, you'll never go back to adjusting volume manually. Secret number 3. Conversation mirrors. Ever tried talking to passengers in the back seat and found yourself dangerously twisting around while driving? Many family cars actually come with a hidden conversation mirror, usually built into the overhead sunglasses holder. Flip it down, and instead of shades, you get a wide-angle mirror that lets you see everyone in the back without moving your head. Parents especially love this because they can check on kids without taking their eyes off the road. It's one of those clever design touches most people never notice, but once you use it, you'll realize how much easier it makes long drives. Secret number 1. Remote start functions. Think about those brutal mornings in winter when your car feels like an icebox, or the scorching summer afternoons when it feels like a sauna inside. That's where the remote start function comes in. With just your key fob, you can start your car's engine from inside your home, office, or anywhere within range. This means your heater or air conditioning starts working before you even step inside, giving you the perfect cabin temperature right away. Most cars require a specific button sequence on your key fob. Typically, you first press the lock button, then hold down the remote start button for a few seconds. Some cars require pressing lock twice, then holding the start button. If done correctly, your car's lights may flash, and the engine will start running without unlocking the doors. Once you're ready to drive, unlock the doors normally, insert the key, or press the push start button, and you're good to go. So, there you have it. Secret car features that are hiding in plain sight, waiting for you to discover them. Some of them save time, some save money, and some might even save your life. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. See you in the next video.